Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Bright Stars. So today we are going to study about vowels and consonants. To understand vowels and consonants, watch the video till end. Let's get started. There are 26 letters in alphabets. 5 of them are vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 letters are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let us find the vowels in some words. Number 1. C-A-T, cat. Now the letter A is a vowel. Number 2. L-A-T-E, late. Now the letter A is a vowel. Number 3. S-T-O-O-L, stool. Now both the O is a vowel. Number 4. G-L-U-E, glue. Now the letter U is a vowel. Number 5. O-W-L. Now the letter O is a vowel. Now we will find the consonants in same words. Number 1. C-A-T, cat. Now the letter C and letter T both are considered as consonants. Number 2. L-A-T-E, late. Now the letter L, T and E are considered as consonants. Number 3. S-T-O-O-L, stool. Now letter S, T and L are considered as consonants. Number 4. G-L-U-E, glue. Now the letters G, L and E are considered as consonants. Number 5. O-W-L. Now the letter W and L are considered as consonants. This is how we can make a difference and understand the vowels and consonants. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more updates. Thank you.